board I built. Pretty happy with it. Came out with some nice concave, some nice tails. I'm gonna grip it up and skate it. I don't know if I'm hoping the grip will stick to this. I didn't poly it or anything. That's it. All gripped up. No logo yet, or whatever you want to call it. No graphic yet. So I want to just try to ride it first. Okay. Let me clean up real quick. So I broke my kingpin on this truck, which is the trucks that I had on my Tesseract. Rocking calibers at the moment, but I really want to test this board out with Paris trucks, so I think I'm gonna have to pull them off my downhill setup. Got some snakes on there. Hopefully it's not too heavy. Alright people, it's a historic moment. My first steps on my double kick. Alright, well, first thing I noticed is that it sits up super high. Which isn't great for downhill, but pockets are kind of nice. I didn't get as much concave as I wanted in these pockets, so they're flat. Concave is all really across the middle of the board, and then, I got some tail action swooping up. So see if I could do some flat ground real quick. Got 3 layers of maple, 2 bamboo in the middle, and then 3 more maple. So it's downhill thickness for sure, and it's still. Hey. Well, it works, but it's not better than a Tesseract, that's for sure. That's for sure. I'm gonna end up regripping this because I gotta put a graphic on it and poly it. so landing some stuff. Went for it. It's getting serious now. It's getting serious now. Come on. There we go. There it is. I'm happy with the kicktails, for sure. I like them. I like them a lot. Get a lot of leverage. Can pop nice. Let's try a ollie and a kickflip maybe. Oh yeah. That's a real kicktail. Oh yeah. Almost count it, almost. Pop it. You gotta bend your knees. Oh! That was like the best I ever caught a kickflip. Yeah. Count it. Oh. Ollies are feeling good. Poor effort. Count it. All right. So, decent sesh on the new board. Definitely has some things I can improve on, but the kicktails are great. Popping some mean ollies. Probably should have tried some more pop shove-its, but it's okay. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. So, here, I'll just talk about it out here. Okay. Just set this up real quick. Alright, so, ow! So I think these sections being flat made it easier for like pop tricks and kick flips and stuff. I don't know how good they'll be for downhill. And then these tails, really like the length of it was good for popping, and I'm happy about the tails. This curve up though, see how it like goes from low to high and then back down? That's annoying. That's not, I need to get that out of the design. I think I want to go the complete opposite way. So yeah, overall I'm really happy with it for my second double kick tail I built, and yeah, I think it's got some improvements to come, but it's a good start. It's skatable. Landed some tricks on it. Yeah, super excited about this guy. I guess I gotta go slide with it, see what it feels like. See if there's something to these flat pockets. Opposite of a pocket, I suppose. Yeah. Alright, that's it. Dex. Trying to figure out a name still for the brand. But this is what matters. Gotta have something that people want to ride every day, no matter what. Even if they buy a new board and they still want to go back to it. Jeez. Well, we've come to the end of the video, and I guess you could check out another one. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.